Today, we are performing a cement mixture machine engine maintenance at our workshop at DSG Power Systems, Saskatchewan. We are the #1 in Saskatchewan for providing a wide range of top-quality engine parts and components, and we offer a full engine rebuild service with dyno testing. We carry a wide range of high-quality parts to maintain our quality standards. DSG is an authorized Bosch service center with a fully equipped fuel injection repair shop. Contact our service or parts specialists or visit our website for any requirement.